What's up, y'all? I'm 1000. I'm an artist from Seattle, Washington. You know, I've gotten so many comments from people about what I do once the mural is done. Do I seal it? Do I protect it in any way? And to be honest, most of the time I don't. But I just painted a mural last week. I just posted the video of it last week. That mural of Bird Luger, the tribute mural. And the client really wants me to seal it because they want like an anti-graffiti protection coating. So I figured today's video, since I get so many comments from you guys about UV protection, graffiti protection, we're gonna go ahead and seal this mural, show you guys how that process goes down. This is actually my first time doing it myself, so it'll be kind of a learning experience for me too. But first, this video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is a super awesome online learning community. They have thousands and thousands of tutorials on everything from drawing to painting to Photoshop to technology, business, all kinds of stuff. There's a link down in the description where you can get 2 free months if you sign up through that special link down in the description. It's special just for you guys. So get yourself 2 free months of learning on Skillshare and also support the channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. Gonna head to Sherwin-Williams and grab some of this Sherwin-Williams graffiti shield stuff. Alright, let's see if we can get us some anti-graffiti coating. We're here at Sherwin-Williams. See how this goes. Hi. Alright, so I got this stuff. Anti-graffiti coating, pretty expensive. List price on it is like $221 a gallon. So yeah, let's go ahead and go down to the mural site and see if we can work with this. All right, so we're at the mural and I got my anti-graffiti coating and UV resistant coating that I'm gonna try out, Sherwin-Williams. This stuff is pretty expensive, but if you have like a Sherwin-Williams account, whether you're a business or whether you're like a homeowner, you can set up an account and it's way cheaper with an account. So there's that, and then I got this like long nap roller for the brick wall. So we're gonna put a protective coating on this and see how this goes. Usually I use like Golden brand fluid acrylics and they're like already UV resistant, so I don't put protective coatings on my murals a lot. But for this one, like there's probably gonna be a lot of graffiti activity in this alley. There's already like a ton of tags around here. So the building owner asked me to put a coating on this, and I think that's a good idea. In all of my like mural contracts and proposals, the additional protective coating is always like optional, and it's like the responsibility of the client whether they want to do that or not, and in this case they wanted to do it, so here I am. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's pop this open. Mix it up a bit. Ooh, it's like real thick, real thick. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Seems like it's going to be pretty simple. Got my roller. It's really thick. It's like glue. Or if you've ever used epoxy resin, it's kind of like that consistency. Oh yeah, that goes on real thick. Kind of hard to see where I've done it and where I haven't. It doesn't really smell too bad, which is nice. It smells like nothing, honestly. As far as I can tell, outside. Whew. All right, so I got the top part done. Well, that's it. I just threw that coat on there. Pretty simple. Got some on my hands and it's like super greasy. which is probably good. So if somebody spray paints on it, it's so greasy and slick, it'll just wash right off. But yeah, my hands feel super weird. Yeah, that stuff was pretty chill. In this weather and this temperature, it's probably gonna take about 8 hours to dry and about 72 hours to like cure or set. But yeah, this is my first time using this stuff. Very, very simple. Anti-graffiti, UV resistant, adds a protective layer to kind of keep the paint safe. So it's as simple as that. You just gotta spend the money and put it on. But yeah, we'll see. Once that maybe like the first person tags it. I actually have a great track record with my murals. There was like one mural in an alleyway in LA that got tagged one time, and that is pretty much it. One of my murals, somebody took a Sharpie and wrote like "I love Brad" on it or something like this big, but that's about it with like my murals getting defaced or tagged. So knock on wood that trend continues, but better safe than sorry. At least that's what the building owners think. I think it's a good idea. So yeah, mural protective anti-graffiti coating complete. Boom. Hey, what's up? You still there? Hey, people who watched to the end, just wanted to say that you're awesome. And also, if you like this video or if you found the information useful in any way, please consider hitting that like button. And if you're not already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. This is the end. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know I got t-shirts and hoodies and hats and skateboards and leggings and prints, original art, stickers, just all kinds of stuff over on my website, 1000art.com. Got tons and tons of super sweet merch so you can swag out if you wanna. I do free shipping anywhere in the United States. I got international shipping available. If you guys want to buy a t-shirt or something, that would help me out a whole bunch, so I would really appreciate that. I got a Patreon going on. Patreon.com/10hun. Super fun over there. I do podcasts, question and answers, behind the scenes video, exclusive content that you can't get anywhere else. Me and my patrons chat all the time on the private Discord server. It's just like, it's a world of fun. And you can be my patron for as little as $2 a month. You'd get a bunch of bonus content and you'd support me. So consider checking that out if you wanna. Anyway, just figured I would say what's up, and I didn't really remember to record this part while I was at the mural, so I'm doing it right here and right now. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm 1000. I do art and stuff. Peace out. Thank you very much.